If you are a beginner trying to look for ways to earn money online, then look no more. With this method, you won't be needing to invest in 2 or 4 hours of daily work that makes your back hurt. Instead, you can make a huge amount of money with only putting in minutes of your day. You just need to understand how this method works, and then you'll be good to go. Let's get started with Pexels. Hop onto the Google search engine and type in www.pexels.com. And then you'll be directed to this very website that will help you get started with your online money-making process. Pexels is a company that has a huge stock of high-quality photos that you can use anytime you want for free. No matter whatever type of photo you're looking for, there isn't anything that you can't find on this website. Select the type of photos that you want to use in this whole process. By the type of photos, we mean the niche of photos which you'd like to choose from at Pexels. Your niche can be anything that you want or are interested in. Pexels has a huge variety to choose from, so you can easily look through that and choose the one that suits your taste the best. If you choose a niche that interests you personally, then that would be a much safer bet to go with, as you'll then also have fun while making money. By typing in the keyword of your niche, the website will display thousands of aesthetically pleasing photos to choose from for free. Choose any top photos that you like and download them as well. All the downloaded photos will be of high quality. Make sure to choose the category very carefully, as this whole method is around this one category. The star tool of this video. The tool that we'll be talking about is omnilink.com. This website right here will basically make a separate sales page link, which you'll know about by the end of this video. OmniLink will help create that one link, which will then receive exposure to a huge audience, making you money in return. To get started with this website, you'll obviously first have to sign up for a free account. The signing up process is very easy, and the website asks for all the other things that other websites do when you sign up for an account there. Now, after signing up for a free account on the website, the site will redirect you to a page where you'll be creating your sales page and its link. Keep this tab open as well, and then come right back to it in a minute. Instagram is included too. Who doesn't have an Instagram account these days? This method will make use of your Instagram app too. Instagram has literally changed the lives of so many out there by providing them with a steady platform. And who knows, maybe you are the next in line. On Instagram, you'll set up your very own separate account. And that account won't be like your personal one. This one will be focusing just on the category that you picked out photos from in Pexel. Make sure to set a theme for your account as well, as that'll help greatly in attracting more audience. After setting up an attractive bio and username, start uploading the photos that you downloaded from Pexel earlier. Keep in mind to select the pictures that go according to the theme as well. Upload as many pictures as you want. And one thing that can guarantee a good audience on your account is adding in hashtags that are on trending, so that when people search for that hashtag, your account and the photos that you have uploaded come in on the Discover page too. Introducing Digistore24.com. Digistore is a website that will help you to look for products that go with the category that you've chosen. Digistore features thousands of products from different categories, so you're not finding a product that goes with your choosing category will be very hard. When you find some products that go perfectly well with your theme, you can publicize them on your account, and then earn commission when someone buys that product from your account's promotion. Digistore absolutely allows you to promote the products that are on the website for free. When the website provides different products for you to choose from, it will also mention the amount of money that you'll earn as commission per sale. So it entirely depends on you and what product interests you that goes perfectly with the theme and niche that you've selected and set up your very own Instagram account on. To get on with the promotion, beneath each product would be a Promote Now option. When you click on that, Digistore will generate a separate link for the promotion of that product. So basically, just with a few clicks, you can promote a product without making a separate video on it or having to look into it. Through Digistore, you get the link for that product and its promotion. And whenever someone clicks on that link, you'll get a commission in return. Let's go back to OmniLink. After setting up a free account on OmniLink, the website automatically takes you to another page where you can make your own URLs. To make your links stand out of all the other links related to the same thing, make sure to add in keywords that'll attract an audience to click on it. The keywords that you include in your link will obviously be related to your chosen category. After filling in the bars for your own separate link, scroll down, and you'll see an empty bar with Link 1 written on it. For the first link, paste the link that Digistore generated for the product and paste it here. Add in a link title as well. You can create as many links as you want by copying and pasting for as many products for free. That's why we've named OmniLink the star tool of this video. If you provide more product links to your URL, it will cause people to have options of other product links to choose from, thus increasing your chances of earning more money as well. Customize your sales page fully with the many tools that OmniLink offers to make your pages more attractive. Take this page's link from OmniLink and add it in your bio on your Instagram account. When people click on that link from your bio, they'll be directed to the page that you created, having different products and their links attached to it. Each product offers a good amount of commission per sale. So imagine many people buying that product through your link, and then the money that adds up in the end will be huge. You'll be earning yourself bucks in no time with this method. Look out for your competition. Hop onto Instagram and search in pages that are related to your niche. Start following those people that follow these accounts, because clearly these people are interested in the type of niche which you've chosen for yourself all through this process. Through this simple and yet effective way, you'll attract a huge amount of audience that will be clicking on your link and will look through the products in their affiliate links, making you earn money through them. This process might be a little difficult to understand, but once you get a hang of it, you can earn yourself some steady cash that will turn into something more than a side hustle. That's it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if this video helped you in any way. Comment down below which category you ended up choosing in this whole process. We will see you in the next one.